Today's recipe is called Hoppin John, and it's a recipe that includes some basic earthy elements that fit within the correspondences of Samhain. The ingredients are 2 cans of black-eyed peas, 6 slices of bacon, 1/4 cup chopped onion, 1 cup of white rice, 2 teaspoons salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 1 clove minced garlic, 2 teaspoons chicken bouillon, 6 cups of water. So take the bacon, put it in a large saucepan with the onion, cook it up until the onion is translucent but not brown, and the bacon is done. You want to have the bacon to be crispy. So in my case, the onions got done before the bacon did, so I took the bacon out and finished it up in the microwave. Add your 6 cups of water. The bouillon, I like to use better than bouillon in a jar. Add your drained and rinsed peas. The rice. Your salt. And your pepper. Mix everything in well and turn your heat up so you can bring it to a boil. This is a good point to stir in your compassion and love and good intentions into the food that you're making. You can actually go ahead and stir clockwise for positive intentions, and even bring it into a spiral to focus it into the center of the food. This is an ingredient that you're not going to find on any recipe card, but it's really important to put a part of yourself into what you're making. Crumble the bacon up really well. It's been draining on a paper towel, and it was cooked to be nice and crisp, so it breaks up very easily. Put the crumbled bacon in, serve it in a serving bowl. It's ready to eat.